So let's do it on this one, and I'll shift this to this side. So today I want us to look on notarization, and especially those people that come from Kenya, because I saw some questions regarding Kenya, and the question was, where do I get the notarization documents? And other person asking, can I get it from the High Court rather than visiting the document issuing office? And this also covers for all of you all over the world, that the first thing you should note is that notarization of document, as I had discussed in that previous video, is done from the exact office that issues the certificate. If it's the academic certificate, the exact examination office that handles the examination in the country, that is what notarizes your academic documents. If it comes to marriage certificate, the registrar of marriages is the one who is supposed to give you a notarized certified document. Same thing applies to the birth certificate and the death certificate. The one that notarizes the death certificate and the birth certificate is the registrar of birth or the registrar of death. That is what it's supposed to be. But to answer the question, can the High Court provide the notarized document? Do they offer the notarization of documents? So I want us to go to this page that I have here, and as you can see, it is under the authorization of documents and schedule, and this is from the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, that is Kenya. I'm using Kenya as an example, but it also applies to other countries. Where do you get the notarized documents? And as you can see, we have these bodies. For academic documents, we have the Ministry of Education to do the notarization of the academic document. For the marriage certificates, it is done from the Registrar of Marriages. The Islamic marriage and divorce certificates from the Qadhi Court, or the Deputy Qadhi, the Deputy Chief Qadhi. The adoption certificate, maybe you have adopted a child. How do you notarize it? From the High Court. So the High Court gives the notary document for the adoption of your kid, because remember, adoption was done through a court procedure. Through the court procedure, you got the adoption paper, and that means the court is the one that has your record about the adoption of that kid. So from the High Court, you'll get the adoption paper notarized. Then we have, for the certificate of birth, the birth certificate from the Registrar of Births, and also the death certificate from the Registrar of Deaths. Then we have I think all these other, we have the police clearance certificate, but the police clearance certificate is not indicated that it has to be notarized. For the DV lottery, I've not seen that. The normal police certificate, I think it will suffice. But if needed to be notarized, the Director of Criminal Investigation, the DCI in Kenya, is the one that is involved in the notarization of the PCC. And this is to mean, if you come from other countries, those people, those offices that deals with the criminal investigations, the offices that issues the police clearance certificate, that is the office that should offer you a notarized one. And then I hope everything is now clear. If you come from Kenya, I've just answered your question. But if you come from other countries, the same thing applies, just as I had explained in the former video. I repeat, and this is in capital or in caps, that notarization of document is only done by the body or the office that has your data, your record. If it is for the academic, it is the Ministry of Education or the office that deals with the national examination. If it is for the birth certificate, the office that deals with the registration of births and nowhere else. If it comes to certificate of marriage, the office that deals with the registration of marriages in your country, and so on and so forth. I've just done a recap video of this to make everything clear. If you find this video useful to you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and also inform your friends. Just let them come and get this knowledge that you are getting. And also, if you're new, welcome. I welcome you to this channel. Join the family. Subscribe and push the bell that you may get notified of all good information that you can get from this channel. Remember, we have 30 days to the DV lottery results release, and to be specific, the day is 6th of May. So I hope you're getting ready and you're very hopeful. Let's meet in the next video.